Several Cebu officials are facing administrative and criminal complaints for being abroad during the onslaught of Typhoon Tino. The details from News 5 correspondent John Aroa.
Several Cebu officials, including Congressman Doug Frasco and 7 mayors, are facing administrative and criminal complaints before the Ombudsman. They are accused of violating the Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act, the Code of Conduct and Ethical Standards for Public Officials, and the Philippine Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Act of 2010. The complaint was filed by Attorney Julito Anyora Jr., who alleged that the officials were abroad during Typhoon Tino, leaving their constituents behind at the height of the disaster.
Tayong mga constituents ay parang ginagago na ng mga local chief executives o ng mga government officials when they should have been leading us. So that's the reason why I have been filing this case. This is a call for public accountability.
Based on Travel Authority documents signed by Governor Pambari Cuatro, the officials were in Europe from October 30 to November 7, the same period Typhoon Tino struck Cebu. Some local officials, including board member Andre Duterte and Bourbon Mayor Dotelios, reportedly backed out of the trip due to approaching typhoon. Compostela Mayor Filiger Quino denied accusations that he was absent during the storm.
During sa Bagyo, bisag sa mayura, di gid matubang sa Bagyo kay bisag sa pagmayura to yung makasagang sa bulog sa tubig ikan sa kabukiran.
In a statement, Congressman Doug Frasco defended his travel, saying it was an official mission as part of the Philippine delegation to the World Travel Market in London, a major international tourism expo. He added that he returned to the Philippines immediately after learning about the flooding in Cebu. Meanwhile, Malacanang reminded public officials that their duty is to serve, not to take leisure trips during crisis.
So dapat ang trabaho ay para sa taong bayan. Kasi ang taong bayan umaasa po sa gobyerno, lalo na sa mga gintong klaseng sitwasyon at kondisyon. So hindi pwedeng sabihin lang na chill-chill lang palagi, dahil dapat trabaho, hindi bakasyon.
Following the controversy, the Department of Public Works and Highways convened a meeting to review Cebu's flood control master plan, vowing to work with other agencies for a more integrated water resources management approach instead of relying solely on flood structures.